Hello again. The house is over now. It's complete, and I have here an alarm system and some lights. Okay. Now let's pay attention to the structure first. I have made these beams out of paper, so we can have a stable house. So the kids don't spend their time trying to fix the walls. And then of course I have used cardboard too. That makes it easy for the light. Okay. Now I have used I believe these are the best, the LED lights, because they take little power, and we can also show the current going in one direction. Also I have here a main. This is for the main power. Then we can get to branch out for lights and for the alarm. Okay. So now let's test it out. Okay, now this is what happened here. You have the lights, and of course if I turn off the whole main, everything is gone. If I turn it on, we will have lights, but then if I turn off this switch, this is only for the lights. Okay? Alright. Okay, now these are two independent switches for each side. I can turn off that one, and this one stayed on, and I can turn off the other one. Okay. Now let's take a look now at the alarm system. I'm going to turn it on right now. What's going on is that you have power here, and it's branching to the lights and going that circuit, or we go from the same main. You go to the alarm system. Okay. Now take a look to the alarm system. I have a light, different light, and I also have with the door here. Okay. Now if I open the door is where and if it's enabled, which means this switch is ready to go, then, and if you open it, then you have the alarm going. Okay. Now that alarm will use, here's the buzzer, and I'm going to turn it off through here. Now this is very important here. I'm using this, and this is very important for students to take a look to really understand the normally open and normally close. You have three wires here. There is a common here, and there is at the bottom there you have one normally closed and normally open. And what it means is a normally closed when right now, which is normal, which is this button is not pressed. That's what will be normal right now. And with the one that is normally closed, you actually can have continuity, which means that the current will go through. Now the one that is normally open right now, there's no, the circuit is open. Now the opposite will happen when I press this button, then it will flip those two. That's how you can do that. Okay. So alright, now a few things that are important for us to cover. Number one is the fact of being able to branch the current. Okay. Number two is the normally open, normally closed circuit there on this, and also the LED is how we can show the current flow in only one direction. Now this is a circuit. I know this looks a little overwhelming, but it's not. Okay. So here it is. If we see it one little bit at a time, it will not be a big deal. This is my battery. And in this case we're using 3 volts. 3 volts because you have two there. Okay. Alright, so then this will be my main, and I have a switch here this is main. Okay. Now from there I'm going to go to a different one here, which is my lights. In my lights I'm going to turn on this first light for one room. This is the symbol for a LED, and I have another switch. Okay, and of course I have the same for the other side, and I have the switch. Now take a look to that. Now of course I need my power to come over this way and go that way. So my power is going through here, going through the main, going through the switch for the light, trying to turn on. Of course, only if these switches are closed, then my current will flow back to my battery, and then we'll turn on this light. These two switches are this one and that one. This light here is this switch, and this main is this right here. So we can say that this is a parallel circuit right there. That's something that we will learn. And also we will go a series if you just look at this side right here. Okay, now what's going to happen on the other side? I'm going to have from here, from the front here, I'm going to get this cable. Let's just do it here. Going to get right here. This is not touching. This is my positive. Okay, that is still my positive, and I'm going to turn my system. This is going to be my alarm system. Okay, now what's going to happen here? I am turning on a buzzer, and I'm also turning on a light. Let's just bring it down, doesn't matter. I'm also turning a light, that's just this red light, and of course the buzzer, we saw it at the top. Okay, and of course I need what else? Oh, okay, I need my switch. This is very important. Then normally this will be, let me see, I believe this is normally closed. Okay, this is this guy right here. Okay, this is the switch that is going to go at the table, at the door. So when it's closed, when it's closed like that, it will not let go of the electricity. So I believe it's normally closed anyway. And then on the other side here, you will have this negative goes this way. So where's our power? Going through here, going through the main switch, coming down, going to the alarm system, going through the buzzer, and going through this light only if this switch is closed, and it will go back to the negative. Okay, so what else? The normally close, let me figure this out. So if you when the door, we only wanted this to turn on if this is open, and this will be the normally position. So what we want is normally closed. So this is correct. Only because right now we want the normally closed, which means when the door opens, then my circuit is made, and then you have the current, which is going to allow for this to turn on and this to turn on. Okay, so here it is. I believe that this is where we'll cover a basic electricity hands-on project that will really give us a good idea of branching stuff, which is a real-world situation, two different conditions, lights and applications, lights and alarm system, something that will show the students how you have a pure series circuit and something that is parallel. LEDs to show current in one direction. What else? Okay, and then also with this structure, that's what I would recommend. So you can, let me show it now. So as you can see, this thing can handle a tornado. Okay, so here we go. Here we have it.